Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. In today's video, let's try to fix a frayed USB cable. Notice here that this is just a temporary fix. You only use this method if your USB cable wires are still not broken. This fix only applies on the outside layer that get frayed. So check it out here. First, we need to remove those parts of the cable that get frayed or broken. Let's cut them off to get a good set point. Next, use a plastic tape, wrap it up tightly across the frayed parts. If you're using a black sticky tape, no need to use this lighter for sticking the tape on the cable. Alright, we use the plastic tape to stick on this cable with a lighter like this. And after this done, let's braid the rope around the part that we have just made. Also use the lighter for sticking the braided rope in if needed. Make sure you tighten the rope. And that's it for today's video guys. If you like this fix, please give it a thumbs up. Share if you feel this is helpful to others as well. And subscribe to this channel if you like more fixings in next videos. Bye for now.